Today I'm going to show you how to make raisin flapjacks. You will need 300 grams of porridge oats, 150 grams of butter, 150 grams of demerara sugar, 3 tablespoons of golden syrup and 100 grams of raisins. To your oats add your raisins and give it a really good stir. And then in a saucepan over a low heat, add your butter, your demerara sugar and your golden syrup, and cook over a low heat until the butter has melted and everything is well combined, just giving it a stir every so often. Then simply add your wet ingredients to your dry ingredients. Give it a really good mix until the oats and the raisins are really well coated. Then to a pre-greased and pre-lined baking tin, mine was 18 centimetres squared. You just want to add in your flapjack mixture, just pressing down over the top just to try and compact it a bit and making it as even as possible. And then pop in a preheated oven at gas mark 5, 190 degrees centigrade or 170 fan assisted for 30 to 35 minutes until the top is golden. And there you have it. That's how you make raisin flapjacks.